Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the menu. To do that, press the upper button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the option called watch face and then tap on it. And here we have the watch face menu, and by default you will have only one watch face, the balloons, but you can tap on add new, then scroll through the list, find the watch face template you like, and once you find it you can tap on it and the watch face will be added to watch face menu. Now we have two of them, and once you add some watch faces you can tap on the one you like and want to apply, and the watch face will be applied like this. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.